Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fixed Cloudflare needs to review the security of your connection error. First method is disable all extensions. Second method is clear all browsing data. Third method is reset modem and router. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.